Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Honorable Governor Satya Pal Malik got his first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. EMRI employees urge Meghalaya legislators to air their grievances in the coming budget session of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. MCCL employees threaten to agitate if their problems are not solved within this month. And now the news in detail. Today, the 3rd March 2021, the Meghalaya Governor Shri Satya Pal Malik received the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, COVID Shield at Ganesh Das Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital, Shillong. Speaking to the media, Shri Satya Pal Malik said that he felt proud to have vaccination made in India, and he also said that people should take the vaccination without any fear or doubt.
I'm proud, I'm feeling proud that I'm having vaccination made in India. And our scientists have done a wonderful job. We are giving it to several other countries, and I'm feeling very safe after this. Everybody should, who's fit in the criteria, should have it. There is no reason to fear or doubt. I'll tell them they should not waste even a day. Come and according to your number and have it. I was very much afraid of seeing the size of the needle, but when it went off very well, I could not feel something has happened to me. The staff is very efficient, all these people are very courteous and nice, and I'm feeling good.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday inspected the ongoing construction of the Tura Dalu Bakmara Road. He expressed his satisfaction on the ongoing construction and has directed NHIDCL to further accelerate the construction so that it is completed within the stipulated time frame. CM said that the Tura Bakmara Road had remained neglected for years, and MDA government is working in a synergistic approach to improve road communication across the state.
Kamrang abachingu cheka snachin deba dauchkan nama ninga kamrang belongin tarakiringa aro bata area kon da black topping ba machochok singa kadonginga ya ramako within the next 1 year 12 months nigi sepo ya ramako 90% machota matgen da obakragtan ramani kamrang namen tarakinga ning mananga isyuha deba contractor NHIDCL ko nga munaska iko jedao jedak kipchundau campaign ngachun aro nanga onde additional manpower, additional machinery ko engage kaimu tharake kam machotna.
The employees of the 108 EMRI in Meghalaya today urged the members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to air their grievances in the coming budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly scheduled to begin from the 5th of this month. The 108 EMRI employees who have come together under the banner of Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union said the legislators should pressurize the state government to take over the 108 EMRI service. Speaking to the media, the Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union, MC Imle, said her union will agitate if the state government allows that the contract is continued with GVK or any other company.
Together again, the same like we have already come in the last press conference, we have already informed to all the public about our agitation or our fight. So as for now, we have come here together to remind. As in the last conference, we have already informed that we have sent a letter to all the 60s MLA to the of the Meghalaya, of the state of Meghalaya, so that they will not privatize this service that we are working right now in our state. So we don't want, we just want the government to take over this service, and we don't want the government to privatize this service as this contract with GVK, with this agency GVK will end up on the 31st March of this year, 2021. So we urge the government not to privatize in the future, and we have come here together just to remind, according to that letter we have sent to all the 60s MLA, to remind them that there will be an assembly session. As we all know, there will be an assembly session on the 5th of this month. So we want all the 60s MLA to take over this discussion in that assembly session to talk about this issue that we have been fighting for all these years, as we don't want this service or any agency to come to our state. We just want the government itself to take over this service. And so all these days, in the past few weeks, we have already met some MLAs of our state. We have had a meeting along with them. Then from their side, from the point of view, it's a positive answer towards us. They agree with this, that the government should have their own emergency cell, and they said that they will take over this issue in the assembly session that will be held on the 5th of this month. From our side, if the government cannot take the decision from the side, what will they do with this service? They have to give us the confirmation, or any in writing or something. They have to call us, so to ask information for us whether they will extend this service till what to say. We will hold a meeting among us, and we will decide in that meeting. The decision, the House will take the decision. The Union only, all the we will take the decision in that meeting. What will happen in the future?
The employees of Mamlo Chera Cement Limited today threatened to agitate if the state government does not solve their problems within this month. The employees said that the economic condition has been completely shattered and the cement factory is now in a dilapidating condition. Addressing the media at Shillong Press Club, the president of Mamlo Chera Cement Employees Union, S. Dingdo, said the union has given an ultimatum to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Meghalaya legislators to come to their rescue, and if things are not stable within this month, they will be compelled to agitate. Dingdo said the employees are not satisfied with the relief payment given by the state government from time to time and asked the state government to clear all their dues at the earliest.
As you see here, the problem regarding the financial problem since 2013. Over time, are there areas that mean from 2013 up till the end? It has been many months. Then I cannot give you the exact amount, but around 20 crores. Total with casual contract company also, we have around 400 plus.
So the same as already informed by the General Secretary. So I think from our office, we need an urgent call from the honorable government, because we had so many times a discussion from the management along with the Chief Minister, with his colleague in the office. And we need now actually a final call, that means with all the political parties to share and to speed up for the final solution. Because why the problem is that, regarding as I've already told by the General Secretary, that the pending salary is nearly going to be 17 years, or 17 months, 17 months. Then the revision, the area of revision, right from 2018 up to for the year 2020, like this. Then regarding the other payment of overtime also is spending right from 2013. So this kind of pending is affected and the burden to the employees, and the employees also to those who have got retirement, then the present employees, and to those for the future also. So we need an urgent call to make a settlement for the long pending payment, and the settlement to take up for the factory. This is the thing, because our plan is a very old model. It's a very old model, so we need a provision as per the cement industry in the state and as a whole in the country also. So this is our appeal to all the relevant authorities to stately or locally. So they will come together and issue by issue we'll discuss and take up the matter so that we the people, we the employee can survive from this problem.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.